Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can see which theme a WordPress site is using. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what I would like to mention is that some themes might be heavily changed to the point where you won't be able to use visual cues to see them or to detect which one it is. Now, if you know what certain themes look like, it's very easy to determine if it is the same one that is on offer by WordPress themselves. However, even if you see some theme that you like on a site that you visited, chances are, if it's a WordPress site, that theme won't look exactly like that when you search for it. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, what you can do is, for example, if I go into my site and let's say I want to visit my site, and this is just a bare bones page that I've made. If you scroll all the way down in the footer, at least in this case, you'll see in the bottom left, this theme is 2025. You can use this method for certain themes. I'm not sure if that appears in footers on all themes. Goes along with the designed or powered by WordPress, as you can see here. And yeah, you can use that method right there. If that doesn't work and you can't see the name of the actual theme, what you can do is you can install a plugin. If you're using a Chrome or Chrome-based browser, you can use this plugin, which is the WordPress theme detector and plugin detector, which will then well, show you which exact theme it is using. You will see the theme. You will also see a child theme if it is a child theme. And yeah, that is pretty much what you can do. Not sure if it's available on Firefox or any other browsers. However, you should be good to go with this plugin. And those are the two most popular and best methods that I know of. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.